Standing just 12 inches tall, about the size of a loaf of bread, these fairy penguins are the ultimate proof that bigger isn't always better. They sport shimmering indigo feathers and spend their days zipping through the waves near Australia and New Zealand. The coolest part? Their penguin parade. Every night at dusk, these tiny birds storm the beach in a massive group, waddling as fast as their little legs can carry them to reach their burrows safely. It's high stakes, it's adorable, and it's loud. Despite their size, they've got a growl that would put a feisty terrier to shame.